Now we need to find the value of x here, right? Value of x. Now, yeah, first of all, let's we try to make this x part, that means x plus 7 square we have no here, that part has a subject, this part, right? So that's why I need to remove this minus 3. So I can bring this minus 3 to this side, no, the other side. So here will be x plus 7 square. When I bring this minus 3 to here, it will be plus 3, right? So here will be 25. Okay, now here we have x plus 7 square, right? Now I need to, my target, make x as subject here to find the value of x. Now to remove this square, what we should do? We can put square root for both sides, right? That's the idea. So here square to square root cut. Here we will have just x plus 7, right? We don't need to write the bracket here because there's no anything outside the bracket. So here we can write x plus 7. And when you have find the square root of a positive number like this, 25, it can be negative or positive or negative, plus or minus 5 here, right? Square root of 25, it is 5, but we know square root of 25, normally we tell 5, but we know how we can get 25. Minus 5 into minus 5 also we can get 25, plus 5 into plus 5 also we can get 25. So that's why square root of 25, you need to think plus or minus 5. Okay, now we can write what the x plus 7 equal plus 5, or x plus 7 equal negative 5, right? That's we have to answer now here. Okay, now what we need to do, bring this plus 7 to this side. So here will be x 5 here. When I bring this plus 7 to here, it will be minus 7. Or here again same idea, I need to bring this plus 7 to here, it will be negative 7 minus 7. Okay, now we can get the final answer. Plus 5 minus 7 mean, normally when you have like this way here plus 5, we can think different sign. Okay, then we need to put the bigger one sign and get the difference. So here minus 2. Okay, here what the answer? When you have same sign, what we do? Put the same sign and sum. So here 5 plus 7 mean it is 12. So this is the other answer. Right? Here is the value for x. X equal minus 2 or x equal minus 12.